In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Face ID settings being grayed out on your iPhone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But let's say if you want to, add your Face ID for whenever you want to sign in or you want to remove it, but for some reason that option's grayed out. That could be really annoying, especially if you don't know why. So before you go into Face ID and passcode, what you need to do is go right above it where it says screen time. Go ahead and click on it, scroll down, you're going to see content and privacy restrictions. You want to make sure these are turned off. And if these are turned on, you want to scroll down to passcode and Face ID, make sure it's set to allow instead of don't allow. Because if it's on don't allow, that's why it's going to be grayed out. But I don't have any content and privacy restrictions, so I'm going to disable that. Go out of this. Then go to Face ID and passcode. It's going to ask you to enter your passcode for your phone. As you can see, Face ID is required while stolen device protection is turned on. So if I want to turn it off, all I got to do is scroll down where it says stolen device protection. I can disable this. It's going to verify my Face ID. Then when I scroll up, I can reset my Face ID right there. It's as simple as that. Then after that, you can turn on stolen device protection again after you've changed your Face ID settings. But if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also let us know in the comments what more tutorials you want from this channel in the future.